Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can quickly create dimensions for objects. Let's examine the Object Dimension feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and then the Dimension menu appears, with an option to click on Object Dimension. Select an object, and then press Enter. Moving the mouse previews the dimensions corresponding to the object's shape. Complete the dimension by clicking at the desired location. You can continuously create dimensions. To exit the command, type X and then press Enter. We have quickly created dimensions for objects using the utility feature in CADian CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.